Yo, what's going on? This is Rich from Rich TV Live, and over the weekend I gave you guys a top 10 list, and I told you guys that the most undervalued company on that list was Medmen, and they went to 293 last week. Well, happy Memorial Day to all of our friends in America. Love you guys. Love all the supporters of Rich TV Live. Remember, Rich TV Live is strictly for education, entertainment purposes. Always do your due diligence. Always do your research before you invest in anything that we talk about here in Rich TV Live. Always invest in the best because the best is blessed. It's true. Now, Medmen is one of the top 10 quarterly sales generators in the entire industry, making 30 million a quarter, and they're trading under $3. I told you guys it was undervalued. People are laughing at me. People are telling me that Medmen's terrible, the management's terrible. Well, yeah, obviously they're having issues. That's why the stock is going down. But today they went up. So keep your eye on Medmen, guys. I think it could go up. It could go up a lot. MMEN in Canada, MMNFF in America. Medmen, yeah, they're having some issues with their management. They're having some issues with their money. They're spending a lot of money to grow their business, but they're one of the best players in America. I believe that they're undervalued, underappreciated, highly underexposed, and I believe they're going to go higher. Today they did. They're up 5% right now, or I guess they finished 5% up today. So keep your eye on Medmen. I think they go higher. Happy Memorial Day to all of our friends in America. Aphria today. Aphria goes higher today. Keep your eye on Aphria. They went higher today. AUSA, I told you guys, I felt like they're going to go higher. They went higher today. So keep your eyes on the prize. Tilt took it on the chin today. So, some ups and some downs, but it was a holiday, slow trading day, not too much movement in the markets. Tomorrow's another day. I expect fireworks tomorrow. This is your boy, Rich, from Rich TV Live. If you're not winning, you're not watching. We're bringing the winners, and we bring them to you first. It's true. I'm out. Peace.